How are you? You know, the other day I made some kung pao chicken and it was so good, I gotta do it again. So I've got some chicken broth here, it's already hot. That's gonna be the root of my sauce. Right now I'm heating up some oil here. I'm gonna fry I have some diced chicken thighs, lightly salted and a little pepper. And then I have some filling. I have just some green peppers, some red peppers, and diced water chestnuts. I've got some yellow onions here. And then I have peanuts, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, sugar, green onions, garlic, and cooking wine. And that's it, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is assemble this dish here. I'm gonna fry this chicken real fast, just like that. And now, all right, now I've got this chicken cooked, just about cooked. I'm gonna add the rest of this ingredients in here and just heat this vegetables up and the water chestnuts, just give them a light fry. All right, that's it. Now I'm gonna dial this heat down. Now I'm gonna strain this oil out, right? All that loose oil. So now I'm gonna assemble the sauce. I'm gonna get my wok back up to temperature here. Here we go. We're gonna start with some garlic, the dried chili peppers, onions, cooking wine. All right. And just saute that a little bit. Heat these peppers up. All right, now I'm going to add my chicken stock, and I like to make my dish a little saucy. Maybe 2 of these ladle spoons. That's going to be nice, a nice thick sauce. Actually 2.5. All right, now I'm going to add my soy sauce. So I'm going to use a combo there, and you'll see the color here. It's a nice rich color. Okay, now I'm going to add my sugar. I got about a tablespoon of sugar in there, and then I got about a tablespoon of hoisin sauce here. Dump that all in there. Okay, and now I'm going to just stir this up real good. All right, now I'm going to put this dish, all that peppers, water chestnuts, and chicken back in here. Give it a toss. All right, now I'm going to throw my peanuts in there too. All right. Give this a little taste. Oh yeah, baby, that tastes good. Now I want to bring this up to a hot simmer here. Now I have some cornstarch and water. Heavy on the cornstarch, just a little bit of water because I don't want to use a whole lot in the mixture, and it won't take a whole lot to thicken this sauce up here. So what I'm going to do now is just put a little bit of a tablespoon of cornstarch in here, and I'm going to give it a stir. Oh, that's perfect. That's a nice thick sauce here. And now the last thing, almost the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drip about, I don't know, just a couple drops of this sesame oil in here, and then I have some diced green onions. Throw those in there. Give this baby a toss. And then right onto the plate. And let me show you that. That is my Kung Pao chicken. So we'll see you soon.